Let's make his lunch. Got his coffee getting room temperature so I can stick it in the fridge. But I get a bun over here, but it's not quite room temperature yet. So I'm not gonna put it in there yet. I'm just gonna kind of like set it aside for a little bit, let it chill. You know, let it do its thing. And then I have this container. It's homemade bacon. I don't remember what he made this out of, but it's delicious. It's wonderful. It's like juicy, melty bacon in your mouth. So that, I'm saving some because I haven't eaten yet. And then we do have some of these fried grain tomatillos, which, okay, we'll throw a couple in there. They're all right. Here I'm gonna put his cheese. He doesn't do mayonnaise or mustard or anything like that. So 2 slices of cheese, which I keep in the wrapper, so he can kind of do that himself. Okay, there's that part. Now let's do the rest of it. Some lettuce. Some diced tomatoes. I'm gonna let this bun cool down and stick that in here. All this will be cool. So this is warm, he can heat all that up. And then all this is cool, so he knows to keep it cool. I try not to put warm and cool things together because that makes it hard to like microwave things and you know, make it work, you know? Put that on. Get on there. I need more containers. I know these are reusable, but they're only reusable for so long until they're no longer reusable, right? This and this. And his salsa is already in there, and his chips are already in his lunchbox. He has napkins, and he has a fork, and his coffee is going in the fridge too. We are in Texas, it is hot, so iced coffee for breakfast. I don't drink coffee, I can't have caffeine. I wish I could. Sounds amazing. Smells amazing. No, you do not want to see me on caffeine. No, you do not. All right. This and this and this and this go in the fridge. And this I do not put on top because it's like I said, it's a Yeti. It goes on the side just like that. And he knows, good for that. You know, put ice in it, good to go. Tomorrow we're doing chuck roast with mashed potatoes and whatever else. Oh, I want to make green bean casserole. Found it in my grandma's recipe box. Y'all have a blessed night. See ya later.